Hello, people. Early day for me. Let me share my proper screen. Hopefully, you can see. Yeah, this is the one. Okay. Well, it is like this. Let me make it a bit bigger. Yeah, this is fine. Okay. So let's go to the hourly chart. It's pretty messed up chart today. Going into the day, we had an SMT when I came to the charts, and we had a sell side liquidity. What I was expecting that the CPI will manipulate lower towards the sell side, and then we will take longs towards the buy side liquidity. But what happened was that we opened and took the buy side liquidity with CPI data and then went down. So I just stopped. I was like, okay, my plan is not there. So what I plan to see is that I want to see this BC form before 10, and I want the 10 AM candle to manipulate lower and then go up, which happened here. That is the trade that I took. Let's go down to 1 minute, 30-second chart actually. I only took a part of it. My idea was simple. I was planning to target 700 here, but I just wanted to target something that was more easy to target, which was this fair value gap. So on trader weight, it's really hard to do partials. I am trying to learn that when I do partials, I would plan to put some here and some to my next target actually, but since it's really hard to do partials on there and it does not really work on trading view, so I have to just take one trade. I've heard about trade sync, then I think it will help me to do that. I'll try that. So I saw that this breaker form inside on a 15-second chart. I was looking at that a breaker form inside of this fair value gap, and I wanted the price to go above it. When it go above it, it closed here, right? And then I entered on that breaker. My target was this high over here, and the trade was finished in like 2-3 minutes. 1 2 3 3 minutes the trade was finished. So I forgot to hit record button, and so yeah, today it's only the what do you call it, picture. So I would like to record my emotions here as well. Today I was a bit fearful for some reason, so um I would like to say, what do you say? Oops. Was my draw on liquidity. I got out here. My emotion. I was a bit emotional going into the trade, and I exited earlier based earlier based on that. So I need to work on that. Although my idea was correct, instead of just taking 500, I only took 250, as you can see in the screenshot. I got a bit emotional, and I was like, okay, you know that feeling where you are making money, you don't want to lose it, you attach yourself with the money and all that. that kind of started happening. So I wanted to cut it. I cut it, and I then just watch the price go. I started tape reading it to see what happened afterwards, for conviction later in the days, for tomorrow, the day after tomorrow. uh, Going through ICT courses, he really tells us that if you feel like you are emotional, or you feel like that it's burning, that your chest is burning looking at the charts while you're in a trade, cut the losses, cut the trade, which I did. So, and then he advises to tape read it, which I did, right? To see why were you fearful, and did the chart reach your target, which it did. So I just want to follow my entry, my execution, my contract size was perfect. My exit was premature, which I will work on. So trade out of all of that, the trade is 4 by 5.